Sci-fi movies, they are becoming more and more realistic with the development of technology today. There are technologies which can lead to make cyborgs or possibly synthetic artificial humans. The top 3 will be discussed in this video. Watch till the end because the scientists have developed a way to replace our brain. Let's start with number 3. Fractured bones could till now only be replaced by rods, but Ossiform has found that bones can be 3D printed with tricalcium phosphate. These artificial bones can easily be put in a person's body as a replacement. Plus, these bones have space to attach with already present tissues to make them 10 times stronger. This technology is already being used in some hospitals. Basically, the fractured bone is scanned and sent to Ossiform. They 3D print the bone and it is immediately ready for surgery transplant. This technology can in future used to make cyber skeletons. Now moving on to number 2. The technology was first introduced by Belgian scientists in 2020 by developing an artificial iris, which is the part of eye which focuses the light to make an image. And again in 2021 by Israeli scientists. They developed an artificial cornea, which, when placed in a 71-year-old blind person, allowed him to see normally. They also combine with natural tissues so the body can accept them easily. This technology might seem similar to the bionic eyes we see in sci-fi movies. Scientists at Monash University were also working on glasses with fit-in cameras attached to the implants in brain, which can replace the sense of sight completely. Maybe with later development, if our eyesight is damaged, we can just replace it by 8K resolution cameras. But still, like I said, this technology is under development and may take a decade to become applicable. Moving on to the number 1 discovery leading to cyborgs in reality. It is the invention of chips with the artificial neurons brain cells attached to it. Yes, scientists have found a way to attach brain cells to the silicon chips, mimicking the functioning of our brain. This technology is currently being used in devices as microprocessors, as it requires only a billionth of power of other microprocessors, precisely 0.000000014 watts. According to Professor Alan Nogart, this technology is revolutionary as it requires so little power, and for the first time, we have opened the black box of brain cells and peeked in. This technology possibly opens the path of replicating the whole brain or possibly uploading the brain. This can also be used to create highly intelligent and complicated AI. We can say the work for making cyborgs or artificial humans has started. But we are still far from this accomplishment, or should I say, a disaster. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for your time and like if you learned something that amazed you. Bye.